sir.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a title record will publish. So where it will publish? On which platform?
Now it will be under your libraries, under your collection, right? So you need to share the RSS feed link to your friends. So once they will subscribe using that link, right? So automatically whenever next time you will be publishing, right, it will directly intimate them.
Okay.
The way we subscribe YouTube channels. So you have to share RSS feed link to your contact list, to your friends, to your students. They will subscribe your channel then. And once they will subscribe your channel, whenever you will be publishing next time, automatically this will give message to them.
Okay. But how it will useful to students?
Now this is very important question. Very good. We have to correlate with our subjects wherever it is possible. It is not possible to correlate in all chapters. Let me tell you very clearly, right? But wherever it is possible, you can try.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right?
Very nicely you are explaining us.
And one more thing, ma'am. See, being a mathematics teacher, it's fine that we are teaching maths, right? But sometimes we need to deliver extra things also to the students. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this demo. I hope you all will experiment and try afterwards, right? Let's go ahead with the presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
What we are missing in this session? What we are missing in this session? As compared to last two sessions?
Selfie.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go ahead with selfie, because once I will start and then I don't remember, means I may or may not remember to take it. So please, I request each one of you to appear on screen for a few seconds. When it comes to selfie, see, people are very curious and happy. I would like to see all smiling faces. Come on, everyone. Should I start calling names from my AMP box? I hope you remember the full form of AMP. Active mental participation. You can experiment. Satish sir, Kumari ma'am, Dharmendra sir, Kanchan ma'am, Neelam teacher, Shrija ma'am, Asma ma'am, everybody, come on, Madhuri ma'am, Asha ma'am, Saili ma'am. Fine, thank you so much, those who are there on screen. Let's continue with the presentation, as I want to wind up by 4:20. Let's confirm whether you can see my screen or not. Yes or no? Just confirm by typing 1 or 0 in the meeting chat whether you can see my screen or not. 1 for yes. Okay, fine. Let's go ahead. So podcast demonstration already we have done using podomatic.com. This was one of the website, right? There are so many. Another one is podbean.com. You can experiment, you can explore. What else to consider in your math ed podcast? What all things you can consider when you're doing? Post a transcript of hearing impaired students. I hope you understand the meaning by this sentence. Hearing impaired student means what? Transcript means subtitles. Whatever you are speaking, whatever you are delivering, same thing should appear on screen. This is for especially students, those who are deaf, those who are hearing impaired or hearing challenge. Fine. Find and maximize your radio personality. Listen to talks of various personalities as their interview, pace, and etc. Pace is very important here. Students download postcards and then they subscribe using various apps. Going ahead, some of the ideas, this is added from my end, right? So you may use these things to create the podcast. For definitions and basic concepts, wherever definitions are there in maths, right? You should include basic concepts. Math talks, when we say math talks, means you can take a topic, very small topic, and you can initiate the discussion. You can just initiate and then students will keep continuing, they keep responding. Then interview of math toppers on preparation and their planning for examination point of view. This is another good idea just to motivate the current batch of 10th standard, right? You can experiment these things. Interviews of math experts on exploring institutes for career in maths, right? As I said in the first session, we all have made this subject very abstract, right? Very dry. So now it's our own responsibility to bring this subject back on the same platform. So even students can be told that to explore careers in mathematics, and they can come and present. Going ahead, famous math podcast. These are some my favorite theorem. You can just type in Google podcast my favorite theorem, and then you will go to another channel, and from there you can listen. The secrets of mathematics. These are some of the famous podcasts in mathematics. You can take a screenshot at the end if you wish. A brief history of mathematics, right? And when we say history of mathematics, being an Indian mathematics teachers, we must appreciate and acknowledge and promote our own Indian mathematicians. This is again very, very, very important, right? Then math ed podcast, then breaking math. These are some of the podcasts. 3 brown 1 blue. In our time, mathematics, the women in math limit doesn't exist, right? Then global math department, Mr. Barton maths podcast. So these are suggestive. So you can take a screenshot if you wish to explore later on. Absolutely optional. Any one of you, what is the meaning of flipped classroom? What is the meaning of flipped classroom? What according to you is a flipped classroom? Now I have moved to the video part. As I said, I won't be taking too much time for the video part. Flipped means what? You can speak in Hindi or Marathi, that's fine. Very basic definition I'm expecting. What is the meaning of flipped? How many of you watch Kaun Banega Crorepati?
Alternate or the another one?
Yes. Somehow you're correct. It's
Something like exchanging the roles, teacher and student.
absolutely, ma'am. Very good answer. So in Kaun Banega Crorepati, they have a option lifeline. Flip the question. Computer Mahashay. Question ko flip kar diya jaya. What is the meaning of that? Change. Madhuri ma'am said correctly, changing the roles. Earlier students used to come in the school, right? And now schools are going to the students' home. Yes or no? Yes or no? Fine, going ahead. So flipped classroom means what? Now the school's position is changed. Students can revise, can do, on their own at their own pace at home. So flipped classroom means here what? We have flipped classroom is an instructional strategy and type of blended learning. When we say blended learning, it's a mixture. Blended learning, which aims to increase the students' engagement and learning by having students complete reading at their home and work on live problem solving during the class time. I hope little bit you got it, right? It moves, activities include this that may have traditionally, right? So nowadays during COVID period, everything was flipped classroom example only. Going ahead. So I'm not going to read this all for you. We all are experimenting on flipping classroom. So video lecture recording, some of you said before start of this session that you people use existing resources in the BMC's video bank. That is one way. So here what we do means when I started almost, let's say 1.5 years back, right? So we started with the WhatsApp. Then from WhatsApp, we moved to the basic recording. Then from basic recording, we move to the laptop and then teaching using screen share and other things. So which tools you people use for recording your lectures? Any one of you?
Sir, I use Screencast-O-Matic.
Very nice. So only for presentations or for other things also?
Only for presentation, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. That's so nice. It is free, free software which ma'am suggested. So you all can experiment, no issues. That means others are not recording fine. So just let me have this Menti with you people. Just a second, teachers. I have one question, the same question. I'll be just taking responses from you people. Please go to meeting chat and just respond in one word or two words, not more than one or two words. Okay, I think it is going to only single teacher. Let me just change it. Everyone in the meeting, just acknowledge whether you have received this link or not. Just acknowledge whether you have received this link or not. This is another way to get the attendance.
Received, sir.
So it is indirectly a attendance link. You have to enter one word or two word, which tool or tools you people use to record your math lectures. I cannot see any response as of now. I hope you people have received the link. Yes or no? Okay, somebody said Zoom or Google Meet. Fine. You can enter multiple one. Then Screencast-O-Matic. Fine. 3 teachers have responded. I want more response so that I just want to show you this screen. Right? This is again word app. You can ask, to the students to type something and then you get like this. 8 teachers have responded. What about others? There are almost 30 plus. Come on, everyone. Somebody said podcast, no issues. YouTube, Zoom, Meet, Google Meet. Thirteen teachers have responded. Screen recorder, there are various screen recorder. When I started with the phone. 17 teachers have responded. I want all 30 to respond. Come on, everyone. You can enter more than 1 or 2 words. That's fine. Fine, going ahead, just to save our time. Thank you, those who have responded, 17 to 18 teachers. How you people record your lectures, that we can discuss. This was my arrangement. I hope you can see my screen, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What you can see on screen, Sandeep sir, this was my arrangement almost 18 months back. I repeat, this was my arrangement almost 18 months back. This is not the present arrangement. So you can just experiment. I hope you all can see. Going ahead, this is another way to record. This I have taken from Google. One of the teachers in Gujarat, he has made this model and then he was recording his sessions. Few more examples, very basic, right? I just want to show these things. I will not show the full videos. I will be showing only one minute. That is around 60 seconds, just to give you, various examples. So first one is basic proportionality theorem. Just confirm whether you can see my screen or not. I won't be showing full. I will be starting from 2 minutes onwards.
As per this statement.
Can you see this one?
So the given is what we have PQ.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible?
This is given to us.
Yes, sir.
To prove
This is the very basic recording where teacher is writing.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Audible, sir.
AP
Yes, sir. You are saying something?
by PB equals
Sandeep, sir, you are saying something?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's go ahead. As I said, I'll be showing only few seconds, not full.
Q. What we are going to do.
Is it very difficult way to record the sessions? Teachers, I'm not getting response from your end. Is it very difficult way to record the sessions?
No, sir.
No, sir. It's easy, sir.
Okay. Let me show the second video. As I said, I won't be showing the full video. Second one is angle sum property. Just a small activity is included. I'll be showing 4 minutes onwards.
Hello, welcome back everyone. Oh. So in the next cutout, what we are doing,
I hope it is audible.
we are trying to remove these angles. I repeat, we are trying to remove this angle A, this angle B.
What I'm trying to say, apart from writing, we can include activities also when you're recording.
I'm trying to explain in this triangle, this angle A, angle B, angle C. When I remove this angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. And when I join them, you can see that they are forming what? They are forming what? Semicircle. Therefore, what we can say is when we say they are forming semicircle, that means this C plus A plus B, it forms a line, straight line. So therefore, angle at this point will be what? It is B plus A plus C, which will be equals to 180 degree. Repeat. So in this cut out angle A plus angle B plus angle C. We are showing that this angle A plus B plus C.
Third video. These were simple recordings. Now screen recorder option while working on various tools. I hope I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm just trying to give you various little basic ideas how you can proceed. Okay, screen recorder option. You can use this one. So feedback link I have shared in the meeting chat. Please do fill. References, codomatic.com, codobean.com, then Google search, YouTube, then assessment link I'll be sharing with you. Give me a minute. From your end. Please fill and just confirm through the chat whether you have filled this or not. After assessment link, I have shared the assessment link as well, but I don't know why it is going to single teacher. Okay, now check. Please confirm whether you have received these 2 links or not. One more thing, last time we were told to create a basic WhatsApp group for you people, right, for maths teachers. So I request those who have joined last time, well and good. Those who could not join, please do join that group. That is only to make the communication easier and simpler. Please fill it now only, both the things. I'm just sharing WhatsApp link.
Other program.
Please do join this WhatsApp group as well. Fill your assessment, fill your feedback. If anybody wish to share anything, can speak. Still, we have 13 minutes in our hand. We can talk for 13 minutes. Back to that presentation again. I repeat, in case if you have any doubt, any issues, you want to clear it with us, you can write your email to bmc.aba@gmail.com.
Suggestions are from us.
Please confirm through meeting chat whether you have done this, feedback and other things, yes or no.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Yes, Asma ma'am.
Can I share one photo?
Yes, ma'am. Wow, so nice, ma'am. This is actually what you are presenting as a 21st century, teacher.
Thank you.
I request everyone to clap for Asma ma'am. It's very nice way to record the sessions. It's a very nice
Thank you, sir.
small board, right? You must be using your child's board, I feel, right? You can use, just to make it more interesting, you can use colorful markers, right? That becomes,
yes, colorful markers and presentation, all everything is possible.
yes, ma'am. Teachers, please confirm whether you have filled this assessment link and then feedback link. If you have filled, then it's okay. If anybody wish to share anything, please can speak. I know this topic was quite away from our own core subject, mathematics. So maybe this could be one of the reasons that, you are not responding, but that's fine. Next sessions are quite interesting and related to especially maths only, right? Please do join this WhatsApp group we have created only for faster communication. Thank you, Hina ma'am, for filling assessment and feedback as well. Others, please confirm. Those who have filled, they may start leaving, that's fine. I repeat, it is mandatory, compulsory for certification at the end of the 1-year program. So feedback and assessment is compulsory, mandatory. If anybody wish to say anything about the session, can speak. I hope you enjoyed podcasting. Video recording was quite common one. Is there anyone who wish to share their learnings from today's webinar, from seminar? Please do share. That will help me to improve.
Okay, done, sir, both.
Thank you so much, Satish sir. Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
teachers,
you,
for
sir.
joining for this wonderful session.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm leaving now. Okay, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If you have done, you can leave. That's fine. Thank you,
Okay.
Bhagrishri madam. At 25, I will end. Before that, if anybody wish to give any feedback, whether it is positive or negative, I'm open for both. No issues. I hope these teachers are connected. Sometimes what happens, what a student does, he connects in the online class and then he roams in the whole house and he is not in front of the device. I hope this is not happening in case of teachers. Right, teachers? Absolutely. One of the teacher is saying sometimes we know the tools but don't know the application. So that means we need to, keep exploring. Thank you so much, Hina ma'am. I repeat, feedback and assessment is compulsory, mandatory for certification. Thank you so much, teachers, for joining and keeping this session interactive. I'm just ending this session. Thank you so much once again. Bye-bye.